Well, finally got another fan cleaned up. Some of you might remember this one from an earlier video. This is a 6-inch Treasury brand clip fan that I got at a flea market for, I think it was $5. I don't know if you could tell in the previous video, but this thing was pretty dirty when I got it. The motor housing had a huge dust bunny in it, but I got it all cleaned up and it looks pretty good now. This would have been sold by a drugstore brand called the Treasury that was owned by JCPenney. I've seen some box fans, liquid box fans under this brand, but I'm not sure what this would have originally been branded. Possibly Tap Tongue? I don't know. There's the badge. Yeah, I got it clipped to a little book right now so that I can have it sit upright. I'll turn it on now. Here's high. Doesn't move a whole lot of air, but I mean, it would be good for like on a desk or something. Not sure how old this one is either. I think it's from the mid or late 80s. And there's low. It is very quiet. And off. There's the side of it. Clip is a little bit yellowed. I don't know if you can tell on the camera. And there's the back. And here on the bottom is the information. It says Treasury, model LP6, size 6 inches, voltage AC 120, frequency 60 Hertz, current 0.5 amps, power 23 watts, distributed by the Thrift Drug Division of the JCPenney Company, PO Box 857, Pittsburgh, PA. I don't know if that's the serial number or this is, but it's made in Taiwan, and the clip does have a few cracks in it. Luckily it hasn't broken yet. So yeah, if anyone knows who actually made this fan, I'd like to know. But anyway, there's my little 6-inch Treasury clip fan. Thanks for watching.